Yes, I know this has a Christmas look and it has Christmas things inside, but you see, it took a long time for these to get here. There was a fire on a boat, all kinds of things that happened. They got lost. I think they were lost in the Midwest somewhere, but Papercraft Essentials Magazine issue 193 is here now. I will guarantee you there will be a Christmas later this year, but let me show you what's inside. You know you get a magazine, lots of ideas. I'll show you what I've selected, but there's also a fun piece. This is called Furry Friends, and every now and again Practical Publishing is doing this, and what they have is in this case, there are 32 foil die cuts, and you can see there's furniture, there's man's best friend, perfect friend, dog lover, dogs or cats leave paw prints on your heart, and there's the other 32. Then you're going to get 114 die cuts, so all kinds of furniture, things to do, and then you're going to get all kinds of dogs and cats. Then there are 6 8x8 papers. They are single-sided. So let me show you those. And there are also some cutouts here. And altogether there are 9 cutouts, so you get more furnishings. And then you get some wreaths, which is nice. And you're going to get 100 square foam squares. So all of these are in the Furry Friends box, which is included with the magazine. And let me show you some things that are in the magazine that caught my eye. Now, this is to make a calendar. So if this is something that you're interested in, it starts with an IKEA shadow box. So that's certainly available. And then step by step of how to make that. So I thought that was an interesting beginning. I wanted to show you this because even though this was lost for months, I have to tell you, our Year in Flowers has arrived, and Lene and Debbie will be doing either a webisode or a vlog on that. Now this is to take a blackboard and how to make it into a piece of home decor. So step by step right there. So lots of ideas in this one. Now this is called Fabulous Folding, and it's if you want to take your scraps, because I know you have them, or if you want to get new papers, but it's showing you in this case how to do a type of iris folding. This is making a kind of a muff, you know, a piece that's accordion folded. Here is doing some other diamond interlacing. So just some fun things to do with maybe scraps of paper. So that's nice to see. And this is adding glitter. Now the glitter, it's hard to see in these photos, a little bit but easier to see on this page, but they're using double-sided tape. We recommend the extra sticky tape, and doing the gilding flakes. Now we have gold, silver, and copper, and you just put your tape down, pour your gilding flakes on it and rub them, and you get a beautiful, beautiful look. And so that's what they've done on all of these projects. So giving you some different ways to easily add a shine and a polish to projects. So even doing some doing some cutting dies and so forth. So that's also very nice. Now, this is a magazine we also just received, and that will be available right here at Paper Wishes, so we'll share that a little bit later. And here is making a calendar. So again, another project, 3-dimensional project, but step by step how to do it. This is done in inches, so that makes it easy. Now, this is a cutout and keep section, and that's what they did to go with the Furry Friends, that little box of things. So some ideas of how you can use this. You can take that chair, add a table, a lamp, some glasses, and do happy birthday. You can put a puppy into it and happy birthday. You can add the cats. Here is just for you with some of the frames behind that couch and a little kitty down below. So you can see, you can also make it into a Christmas with that fireplace, the tree, and presents. And of course, the dog with the antler on it, the cat with the Santa hat, and that dog happens to have glasses on. So just really fun things that you can do. You can play with them. And this gives many pages. That's really cute. Crazy Cat Lady, Perfect Friend. So you can create your own scenes, and it just does give a, you know, you've heard of create a scene cutting dies, create a scene stamps. Well, we have create a scene die cuts, and there you go. This one is even to do like the penny folder or penny runner, so that's fun. And you can see, you can do shaker cards, just lots of different things. Now, let's see. We've got more ideas. Now, this is doing see-through cards, and what happens is the front of the card is a piece of acetate. It is folded and attached to the back of the card base, and then they're doing some stamping either on the acetate, which you can do that with our heat-resistant acetate, even if you want to do some heat embossing, or you can stamp on something else and cut them out. But you do want to leave some openings so that you have the ability to see through it. That's the whole idea of using the acetate. That's a good example where you can see through it. Here's some step-by-steps. Just very pretty and very fun. It's just another way to use your stamps, and I do appreciate that. So you can see Christmas with the embossing, or just some others. This is another step-by-step to give you some ideas, and that's nice. Then we have, and there's more that I don't show you. I don't show you every page. This is a stylish storage, so if you'd like to make that, you've got step-by-steps and all of the measurements. And here we have Modern Beauty. Now it's interesting because this is available as a download, and the information about how to get that is right here. So you get digital stamps, and then there's some ways to use them. I thought that was really a nice bonus. So not only do you get all of those projects, but you're going to get a package of furry friends that are foiled and die cut all together in the Papercraft Essentials, issue 193. And it is exclusively here at paperwishes.com.